Hi friends, after LIC issued a tender for getting the consultancy on revamping its agency channel and build the agents of future, many development officers are worried about their own future. Friends, let me assure you that there is nothing to worry about, provided you are ready to change. In fact, the systems proposed to be built by LIC for recruitment, training, and mentoring of the advisors will help you to build a strong team of 21st century advisors and thrive in future fierce competition. Friends, I have been emphasizing the need to build these systems over the past 3 years, but very few development officers realized the need to change. Friends, you must have realized by now that you have no option but to change. During my upcoming workshop on how to build the online systems for recruitment, training, and mentoring of the advisors, I will share the complete roadmap for your transformation journey and how KG's Hub will assist you to build these systems within a year's time. Friend, this workshop is not for everybody. It is only for those development officers who are ready to invest rupees 50,000 and committed to devote minimum 2 hours daily to build these systems. कार्य कठिन है, इसीलिए करने योग्य है. साधारण कार्य तो सभी करते हैं. If you are ready to stand out from the crowd, then register now for the workshop on this link kguru.in/workshop.